This is the last lecture on Winlogy Lab. In the previous lecture, we studied the tool Digital Sim, and in today's lecture, we are going to study the tool Wire Diagram. It is a tool used to draw diagrams for digital logic circuits. It includes common logic chip schematics. It includes integrated circuits, LEDs, resistors, diodes, capacitors, and batteries. We can view the internal components of the ICs. Let us explore our last tool, Wire Diagram. This tool is used to draw wiring diagrams for digital logic circuits, providing common logic chip schematics. This tool is used just to draw and copy-paste the circuit diagram to Word documents. This tool includes ICs like IC7400, IC7402, all the gate ICs. In addition to it, the ICs of flip-flops, 4-bit binary adder IC, BCD and binary counter IC, 4-bit shift register IC, 3:8 decoder, 8:1 mux IC, BCD counter, bidirectional shift register IC, 8:1 mux counter. It even includes IC555 timer IC. It even includes components like resistor, capacitor, diode, LED, Xtil, meter 5, meter 1 and battery, wherein we can set the value as well as we can set the direction. Term is used to place inputs and output terminal. Text is used again to name the IC. Over here I'm going to name it as NAND gate IC. Box, circle and line is used to draw boundaries to the circuitry. Then there is an option of move, which moves the IC around the schematics. We can connect the items using wire. We can join different wires using the button join. Then we can copy the circuit as bitmap. We can copy the circuit as meta file. Even we can draw internal schematics, which shows the internal schematics of the chip. Over here it is NAND gate IC7400. Even there is an option of drawing colored wire nodes in case of complex circuits. This tool is used. In today's lecture, we saw all the components present on the tool Wire Diagram and how to use it. This was our last lecture of lecture series on Winlogy Lab, introduced by FAST, freely available animations and software for teaching, joint initiative of Indo-US collaboration for engineering education and Eduvance. Winlogy Lab is a very useful tool in designing and simulating digital sequential and combinational circuits. We have tried our best to make a good understanding of the function and features of all the tools present on Winlogy Lab. Thank you.